Joining us from Sofia, we're honored to have Commissioner Mariya GABRIEL, European Commissioner for Innovation, Research, Culture and Youth. Thank you for joining us, Commissioner. Please, the floor is yours.
Thank you. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to share some thoughts together with you. I would like just to focus my intervention today on three topics. Of course, first, to say that climate change is a high political priority for the European Union. The second, to see what are the instruments at our disposal to support this priority. And finally, definitely the need of international collaboration to achieve our common goal. So I would like really to start by saying how much climate change is a challenge and political priority for us in the European Commission. Now, as the world turns to recovery from the COVID-19, a strong momentum is growing for a shared policy agenda to support environmental, economic and societal renewal. The European Green Deal will set Europe on a more resilient, sustainable and fair path to recovery. You know what is our ambition? Europe will be climate neutral by 2050. It's an ambitious goal, but to achieve it, we need to invest massively in innovation, research and new technologies. And climate policy goals cannot be attained if this does not go hand in hand with research and innovation. At European level, we have several instruments at our disposal. First, of course, our European Research and Innovation Framework Program that was mentioned by the previous speakers, Horizon 2020, and the soon Horizon Europe program. This program provides concrete support to the green transition and at the same time contribute to increasing synergies between the innovation ecosystems. In the European Green Deal call under Horizon 2020, we have already allocated over 3 billion euros to develop the right technologies to build a low-carbon, climate-resilient future. And with Horizon Europe, we are taking things one step further with a reinforced proposed budget of 94.5 billion euro. A key feature of Horizon Europe will be the missions to deliver solutions to some of the greatest challenges we will face. 4 out of 5 missions are directly linked to the objectives of the Green Deal: healthy oceans, climate neutral cities, healthy soil and food, and climate adaptation. They are prime examples of where social innovation can provide novel solutions. The missions will aim to instill confidence among our citizens that the objectives of the Green Deal are achievable and empower them to participate and shape the future together. This will be key because the engagement of citizens is absolutely vital. That is why today's event is so important, not just to promote the contribution of research and innovation to the European Green Deal, but to showcase results, discuss the future, and develop new partnerships. SMEs and startups will be central to meeting our objectives. Here, I would like to congratulate the Israeli companies for their success in a recent European Innovation Council call. This goal will support startups and SMEs to develop and scale breakthrough innovations to address the goals of the European Green Deal. True research innovation is crucial. We need to make sure that research innovation is brought to the market. For this, financial instruments can provide the missing links to bring research close to market. The recent European Investment Bank venture debt loan granted to one of the European Israeli company shows how we can overcome market failure and enhance solutions that benefit society. Now, allow me to be very clear. Europe will never meet the objectives of the Green Deal if we act in isolation. We need to pull together to succeed. Accelerating the transition towards zero net emissions in sectors such as energy, mobility, and construction will require strong strategic collaborations with global partners. International collaboration especially in research and innovation, is key. And the European Union, together with its strategic partners like Israel, strive to position themselves as a global standard setter for emerging technologies. Israel has been an associated country to Horizon 2020 for more than 20 years, with one of the highest success rates, participating in our public-private partnerships in many fields like health, environment, and food, as well as in our Article 105 initiatives like PRIMA, Active and Assisted Living, and the Eurostars program. I also like to congratulate you on the recent Innovation Hub launched by the European Innovation and Technology Institute and opened in Tel Aviv. So Israel, with its strong innovation and technology capacity, it has proved to be an important partner to the European Union across many societal challenges, like the fight against climate change. We have a lot to learn from your startups working on green technologies. And as a matter of fact, Israeli applicants perform very well in the European Innovation Council as well. The publications of the first results of the European Innovation Council pilot call has put Israel on the first rank of blended finance projects recipients. 20 Israeli applications were selected for funding and 197 seals of excellence were awarded Israeli projects. I want to congratulate each and every one of you. I'm confident that this will continue in the future. Now allow me to conclude by saying that COVID-19 has shown the importance of putting science and evidence-based policies first. It has demonstrated that scientific knowledge and understanding is a public good, and it has shown the value of open collaboration. The same is true for the Green Deal.